Welcome to Pavithra Laptop Care. Today's topic is N channel Mosfet. How it works in reverse bias. Okay, just for example, okay, in case of reverse bias, it's 1 2 3 will be the source, 1 2 3 will be the source, and here 5 6 7 8, okay, or ulta, whatever it may be. Here it's the input 20 volts. Okay, in this condition, what will be the output? Practically I want to show you. Okay, practically we will check. See, once again I'll repeat, this is in reverse bias. Okay, if first MOSFET is in reverse bias, what will be the output and what will be the input? That practically we will check. Okay, now I will take a board. See, this is scrap board. So NMA 481 is the part number. Okay, in this, here is the 20 volts input it will take, and here charging IC not there. So because of that, we will check in practically what will be the result of first MOSFET. See, this is the first MOSFET. It's a drain, source 1 2 3, and gate. Okay, are you able to see? This is a drain, 1 2 3 is the source, and this is the gate. This is the output path, CLR. Okay, before that I will remove this output path because it may get damaged because it's a scrap board. So let me remove this. Just a minute. See, I will remove this jumper. I'll check the continuity. No continuity. Okay, now I removed this jumper. Here first and second MOSFET only will be there. Whatever the voltage, it will pass through. It won't pass through the second MOSFET. Okay, now what we have to do for that? See, I do one thing. For gate I will give DC jack, female DC jack of CC camera 1. Okay, I will give the gate voltage. See, I will connect to the ground. Okay, see, here I have connected a DC jack of CC camera. For safer side, I'll put a sticker. It should not move here and there. Okay, so easily you can see here. Now I will crash check once again this MOSFET is good or not. See, drain to source, there is no short. Gate to source, there is no short. And ground to gate, there is no short. Okay, now practically I will show you. If I give the gate voltage, what will be the output? Okay, what will be the result of source? Okay, now you're able to see. See, this is the DC, 1 amp, 0 volts. In this condition, what will be the source and gate? See, now I am giving the supply. Okay, see, this is directly DC jack. Through the adapter I am giving the voltage. Okay, it means source will be 20 volts. See, now I have given 20 volt supply to the drain. Okay, and source, there will be no voltage. I will check one by one. See, this is the input voltage, 20 volts. Are you able to see? It's a 20.29 volts. Second thing is first MOSFET drain, 20.29 volts. Gate will show short because it's a completely 0 volts. See, once again, gate is showing beep. Okay, this is a practically I am showing you. This is a practical one. Okay, this is the source one. There will be little voltage. That also not there. Okay, source will be no voltage. Gate, see, gate showing beep. Now slowly I will increase the voltage. What will happen? Let us see. I am increasing the gate voltage. See, if I increase 1, the beep gone. Okay, if I decrease it, beep will be there. Okay, in the gate, if I give the voltage, then the beep has gone. Okay, slowly I will increase the voltage. And what will be the source? I will keep the source. Please check the multimeter. Slowly I will increase one by one. Okay, in millivolts I am increasing. Check the source. Still there is no voltage. Okay, 1 volts. Again I will come back. See the source activity. Till 9, see, till 8 point. See, when I given 900 millivolts, then the source activity started. Okay, are you able to see? The source activity started at 0.9 volts. Okay, 0.9 volts. This is the source, and slowly if I increase the voltage, 1 volts I given, it's 0.318. Okay, it's appearing and disappearing the voltage in source. Okay, again I will increase 1.1, 1.2. See, when it will be the constant 1.3 I given, so I'll reduce again 1.2. See, till that 1.1 it was fluctuating. Okay, when I given 1.2, then some constant voltage appeared here. See, 0.478. When at gate voltage 1.2, the drain little bit it got constant 0.478. Okay, again I will increase the voltage 1.3, 0.562, again 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. See, for 1 volts 1.8 volts gate voltage required. Source will be 1 volts at 1.8 gate voltage. Okay, got my point? Again I'll increase the voltage. See, if I give 2 voltage, it's 1.186, and again 2.5, 1.6, 2.3, sorry, 3 voltage, it's a 2.1. Okay, and again 3.5, 2.5. Okay, this is source voltage. Okay, this is gate voltage. Again 3.4 to 4 volts I'll give, 4 voltage, 3.07, again 4.5, 3.5. Okay, 5 volts. When gate will be 5 volts, the source will be 4 volts. Okay, again I will increase 5.5, here 4.5. This is source. Okay, once again I am telling you, this is source. Again I will increase the voltage to 6 volts. See, approximate 1 volts reducing, I mean compared to source, gate voltage will be high, 1 volts. And then 6.5, 5.48, 7 volts, approximate 6 volts, 7.5 volts, approximate 6.5 volts. Okay, now I'll increase to 8 volts, 6.9 volts, 8.5. See, almost 1 volts difference will be there. 9 volts, 7.9, 10 volts, 8.7. Please note down these voltages. At gate voltage 10 volts, and here it will be, source will be 8.87. okay, and then if I increase to 11 volts, it's 9.85. okay, and again I'll increase to 12 volts, 10.82, 13 volts, 11.79, 14 volts, 12.7. See here, little bit difference is there, 1.3 volts difference. Okay, at 14, here it's a 12.7 volts, and 15, 13.7 volts. Okay, 13.7 volts. Then 16, 14.7, 1.3 volts difference. Okay, at 17 volts 15.6, at 17 volts 15.6. See the difference, it's the difference will be more. Get to source. Okay, and again at 18 volts 16.6. Okay, and again 19 volts. See, 19 volts 17.6, 1.4 voltage difference. And 20 volts, what is the actual 19.5, 18.09. Okay, 1.5 volts difference at 19.5. What will be the input? Actually input voltage at drain is 20.29. Okay, now I'll keep the 20.29 exactly. See, 20.29. What is the input? That also I will check. See, input is 20.29. Gate voltage 20.29. If both are same, what will be the source? (18.85). Okay, when input and gate voltage is equal, then gate source voltage will be 18.85. Now I will increase. Okay, when it will equal to 20 volts, that we will see. For 20.4, 20.5, 19 volts. Okay, I'll increase to 21 volts, so 90.5, 21.5, 19.9, 22 volts. See, this is the threshold voltage. At 22 volts 20.28 we got the voltage. Okay, again if I give more voltage, what will happen? Let us see. See, I am increasing the voltage, but what is the input voltage? It's equal to output also. If I give the more voltage to the gate, then also there is no changes in source, because input voltage is 20.29 or 28, it's a 20.28, it's output in source. See, I am increasing slowly, there is no output change. So here, see, 22.2, see, source is 20.29. Here I am increasing the gate voltage to 23. Then also input output are equal. Okay, if I increase the gate voltage also, input output are equal. When it is a 22 volts of the gate, then input output will be equal. But why we are giving 24 or 25? Because of load we are giving the higher voltage. Okay, so here we can conclude it. So if gate voltage is 22, then we will get input output voltage equally. See, 20.5 I given, 24.5 I given gate voltage. Then also there is no changes, because input itself is 20.29, right? So same output we will get in source. In case of 20.29 input, drain voltage, input voltage, if we give 22 volts at gate, then we will get the full voltage in source. Okay. Understood? This is the practical class of N-channel Mosfet. Okay, any N-channel Mosfet like this, practically we can check one by one. Okay, initially there was 0.5 voltage difference was there, get to source, and later on 1.2, 1.3, 1.5, and then it's 2 voltage. Okay, just we were in theoretical classes we were checking gate voltage should be 25, then we will get full output voltage. But by practically we come to know, in case 20.29 will be the input voltage, that is a drain voltage, then output voltage will be 20.29 at 22 voltage at gate voltage. Okay, this is the conclusion. Thank you very much.